Hello little Luxers. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Myrtle and I am your friend who loves little luxuries.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement.
On today's video is all about unboxing. Yes, we are going to do an unboxing video, and this is a new bag to add in my collection. But before anything else, if you are new to my channel, please join me by subscribing and click that notification bell button so you will always be updated if I have uploaded new videos. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber and you have been watching my video, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. Of course, feel free to share my videos to your families and friends. This is February and this is the love month, and February is very special to me and to my husband. So I got this bag, but this bag has been very popular towards the end of 2019. But for some reason, I didn't join the hype, I didn't join the craze, maybe because I really don't want to buy anything. This bag was introduced to me by a friend. She bought one for herself, but then this time, I decided to get one for myself as well. This is a very well thought purchase. I know, because just recently I uploaded a video about designer bags that I don't use anymore. So if you want to watch that video, I will link it here or I will put the link down below. The box came a week ago, and this is the box. And yes, so I have opened it, so it's easier for me to show it to you, but I haven't seen it actually. So this is the box. It's a bit heavy. Yes, this is a Coach bag. Little Luxers, this is the box from Coach, New York, and let's open it together. It is in a dust bag. And let's reveal the bag inside. It is the Coach Cassie. This is the Coach Cassie. I just want to let you know, little Luxuries, that before I purchased this online, I went to the shop, I went to the boutique to have a look at it physically and of course to touch it. So it's beautiful. Just have to remove all this. So this is the bag. People say that this is a dupe of Pochette Métis of Louis Vuitton. I don't want to compare them because I think Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis has its own characteristics, and this one is also unique on its own. This is in pebbled leather, so you don't have to worry about scratches. Let's open it. It has this C logo, but it's very subtle. It's not very loud that it's a Coach brand. And it has a turn lock closure. I also love the brass gold color. And this is the inside. Let's remove all these papers here. It has a lining. I don't know what kind of material is this, but it has the coach all over the lining, and it is in burgundy color. It has 3 compartments. The second one has the biggest compartment. It also have a zip pocket inside and a slip pocket inside as well. And the third compartment. It has this top handle here that you can easily grab, or you can easily slip your hands there. It has a leather strap. It is an adjustable leather strap. It has 7 holes that you can adjust according to your height. So I really love the bag. I really love the structure of the bag. It also has a big pocket at the back. Let's try if my phone will fit in. I have a Note 10 Plus. Let's try and put it inside. No fuss. Perfect. I'll give you reasons why I decided to finally get this bag. First, it is in pebbled leather, so I don't have to worry about scratch. I don't have to worry about stains. Second is I love the removable strap because I can always mix and match with different straps. Third, it has 3 compartments that I think will hold all my everyday essentials. Fourth, it looks very classic. It looks very classy, and I think the design will stay for a long time. And fifth is this is less expensive compared to my other bags and other high-end brands, although I think on Australian standard this is a little bit pricey. So yeah, those are the reasons why I finally got this bag. And what about you, little luxers? What did you get for yourself this Valentine's Day or for this love month? Did you buy something for yourself, or did you receive something from your loved ones? I would appreciate it if you will comment down below. I'm loving this bag. Look at that. So yes, this is my new bag for you guys. I don't want to show you what fits inside my bag because you can watch them plenty in YouTube. And I'm just excited to share to you that this is my bag, and this is my Valentine's Day gift for my husband because this is the love month, and the love month is very special to me and to my husband. So yes, I am excited to use this soon. Thank you so much, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the notification bell button. Press that all so you will always be notified for the new videos. Thank you so much. Stay safe. God bless, and mwah. Bye.